Coming from somebody, your Tracy Honda insider, who actually owns one of these, this is a perfect example. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Fully loaded 2026 Honda Accord Touring Hybrid here at Tracy Honda. This looks exactly like the Urban Gray Pearl that I have. This is the wireless charger. See how it's a green light? It turns orange when it's charging. The ventilated seats work fantastic in this vehicle, especially in the Central Valley. Those heated seats work great in the Central Valley, especially when paired with the heated steering wheel. You have a multi-informational display over 10 inches here. That's an active avatar, so I turn the lights on, turn them off, put a blinker on. It's all going to activate. And then when I put the vehicle in reverse, and then when I put the vehicle in drive, you see how it just kind of moves all the way around right there. This is where you're going to find your vehicle settings. You can also move this avatar around. That doesn't look like a black vehicle, does it? Go right here to menu, go to body color, switch it to black, and then there you go. Well, that's the closest thing to it. It's more like a meteorite gray metallic. But I am your Tracy Honda insider at tracyhonda.com. A huge fan of this vehicle right here. Multi-angle backup camera with the rear cross traffic alert. Just a huge fan of it. The leather wrap shifter, your leather wrap steering wheel, the memorized seats, which work great because it comes with 2 keys, and both of those keys belong to 1 and 2 people, and they probably ain't the same size, right? So that works great. This is where you're going to operate your mirror right here. 1 click down, 1 click up for your 2 front windows. Speaking of, in the front here, you also have the blind side information. That works fantastic as well. This vehicle comes with LED everything, as well as the self-dimming rear view mirror. So you can close that power sliding moonroof, and then you got the manual sunshade that will go right behind it right there. Just a great looking machine. And it doesn't stop there. You come into the back seat. The back seat is going to have some amenities as well, meaning your outer seats are going to have 3 levels of heated seats on this and that seat right over there. There's a 60-40 split, but you can't activate it if these are seat belted in. However, what you can do is drop this down and use that armrest with the cup holders if you say there's nobody in the middle seat. You also have ventilation and high-speed USB-Cs. Take a look at your 11th generation Honda Accord. Fully loaded Touring. Has the Bose premium sound system up to 46 miles a gallon. And that's not going to cost you any extra because it only takes 87 octane. Custom 19-inch wheels that everybody wants, but you need a fully loaded Touring to get it. Wrap around the back, you see your LED lights there. Accord badging, hybrid Touring badging. 2026 blacked out sports only. So the sport is going to have everything blacked out, but not the Touring. Well, why would you? Don't you want to stand out and let everybody know you're in a fully loaded vehicle? Because that's what it's going to be when you pull up to your favorite parking lot or driving on your favorite roads or highways. This right here, super convenient. Anytime I leave the store, I have my Tracy Honda bags and I've attached them right there when I'm done making my purchases. And your spare tire kit. So there you go. I wanted to make a quick video about this for you. I do have this vehicle in my family, so if you have any direct questions about it, just ask me directly. 1-888-330-9092 or Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com, and just take a look at that side profile. It looks great no matter which angle you're looking at. And then you'll know in the front because it has these silver caps right here as well, just like on a CRV Touring. There's your LED fog lights. Just a great machine. So come on down to Tracy Honda, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. 2026 Accord Hybrid Touring, Crystal Black Pearl, MSRP of $40,000. It's trying to look at this light, so it's not zooming in. Anyhow, $40,690. We also have the all-weather mats, the trunk tray, the tint, the wheel locks, the clear bra, and the clear shield package to right there. Make sure that it helps to protect your investment. But there it is. I try to keep these videos under 4 minutes, but when you got a wonderful, great-looking machine like this, that's going to make it really hard. Let me know when you can make it down here. Give me a call, give me an email, and we'll see you on the next video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com.